Best car. Don't play that bullshit. Don't play that bullshit.
It's the car next to the dumpster.
Oh, you motherfucker.
We outside once again. Boys is washing their cars real quick.
I probably did, nigga. My shit probably ran up.
That boy gave his shit the premium wash.
You good. I got the Chevy though. Yeah, he don't pick up. I called his ass too.
I'm calling that nigga ain't picking up. Nigga about to run your ass flap over. K-swap shit. This shit sound crazy. Nah, they move. Oh nah, what the fuck? What the fuck? That's what you call a race car right there. Holy shit. Hell yeah.
Oh, it's like that. Alright, okay. Alright. Which one are you?
Okay, cool. So you didn't get a wax on the interstate? Alright, yo.
That be loud.
That shit look clean.
These the same wheels you got or nah?
Yeah, it is.
The same wheels?
Nigga.
Damn, that's crazy how much lower your car like this could.
Yo, it
These
is.
shits look
But
crazy. Nah, that bitch is clean. That shit wet. Oh, these niggas parked right here. What the fuck? This G clean. I don't know. Look at these guys.
I parked it over there.
On my G's and Q boys.
You so good with the shit. Just work at Best Buy, nigga.
Best Buy can't
Nigga, my nigga need to work at fucking Best Buy, bro. This is the man. You need any lens or Sony, nigga, he got you right, bro. This nigga know nothing right. The first black nigga, African American, know he's fucking lens, nigga.
Why you gotta be nigga?
You are a nigga just like us, bro.
Yo, air up.
Oh shit.
Air up.
He said to air up. Don't do that, bro.
You gotta be like,
static.
You gotta be like, bitch, I ride like this.
Oh,
Static,
nah,
nigga.
yeah.
That's static. Don't do that, don't do that.
That boy Memo old hatch. That boy Memo old hatch. He don't like that.
Hey, yo.
That shit moves, bro.
Hey.
Memory!
That look familiar.
Memory! That's that nigga old shit.
Hey, he got it. You got it.
Oh, that was his shit?
Yeah, that was his old shit.
Best car. Don't play that bullshit. Don't play that bullshit.
It's the car next to the dumpster.
Oh, you motherfucker. Nigga, you can't talk shit about the fucking...
And he said, move your shit. Oh Oh shit!
DCT Poppy. DCT Poppy.
You don't. Oh hell no.
DCT
You saw
Poppy.
that shit, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I can't wait to get my hands on one of these.
No, I haven't yet. Not yet.
I had one of these already, and I had it
You
low.
feel me? That nigga needs suspension. I told him come by and get some suspension. He playing.
No, you got it. We got it.
That boy said the springs is doing it.
You know what I'm saying? The clutch springs doing it. You feel me, nigga?
Nigga, 6, 7 months
I'm trying to
ago,
get this
you
nigga
should've
right.
been
He don't
there.
want to get right.
Something ready. What's on that?
What?
What's that right there?
Cobb Access.
I did something already. I said,
Cobb Access Sports stage 1 tune.
What?
Stage 1, all the stage 1 requires to run the tune is an intake. So no, that's not a tune. Nowhere near is that a tune.
I didn't do that. I'm not blowing my transmission. No, fuck out of here. That cool? No.
Them boys is on the Volkswagen. This bitch sitting.
Told you, right?
VQ boys. Auntie pulled up in the VQ. Oh, nah, that nigga riding like that.
Yeah, that's how you ride. On I-48, he ride low just like that.
That bitch is still low.
Nigga, way in. I just jumped a little bit. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's how we do it. Oh, okay.
That's exactly what that is. God damn.
See, you my dog for real. It's guaranteed we gonna eat. See, by any means, he feeling froggy, tell the nigga leap. I put another hole in one you feet. Since I started rapping, I can live in peace. All of this feather really got me weak. I'm trying to do better, but it's getting deep. See, I'm from Toronto.